Hi, I'm Peter, one of the application engineers here at Ramco, and today we have the new Omron VHV5 barcode reader. This barcode reader can do 1D and 2D barcodes. It has two different options for resolution. You have a 2.5 and 5 megapixel lens. The 2.5 megapixel is able to do 80 frames per second. The 5 megapixel is able to do 40 frames per second. This camera has built-in internal lighting, which is brightest on the market today. Not only does this barcode reader have the brightest lighting, it also has 3 ports on the bottom. You have a digital I/O, as well as Ethernet decoded, and a third plug for external lighting. Not that you're going to need it with the bright lights on this. This camera has the ability to do 1D and 2D barcodes. It has 3 different types of lenses for narrow, medium, and long. It also has the ability to be power over Ethernet, which is quite impressive for the lighting on this guy. Not only that, but it has an IP69K rating, which means it's fit for the most harsh conditions and difficult of applications. The barcode reader also has indicators on top. You have a power, communication, pass or fail inspection, and trigger status on top of this. Has an additional mounting plate for heatsink and other options. The VHV5 has a digital I/O port which lets you do 3 inputs and 3 outputs if you don't need to hook it up with any form of communication for your application. Not only that, but it also has the ability to do communication through RS-232, Ethernet IP, Ethernet TCP IP, and PROFINET. One of the most impressive features of this camera isn't its hardware, but the software. Omron has made it very simple to use. It is a web-based application, which means all you have to do is plug in your camera, type in the IP address of it, and you can see it all right there. You have the ability to set up the lighting as well as your jobs. And in that software, it has a very handy tool called Smart Assist, which will take care of all the fine-tuning you need to make sure you get the best read of your barcode possible. So whether you've got a shipping lane, part traceability, or just product tracking through your facility, this camera can do that for you. So give your Ramco rep or local office a call today and get a quote on the new Omron VHV5 barcode reader.